Hello everyone. In last lecture we had seen the world class manufacturing. In that the world class manufacturing we seen the definitions. Simultaneously we seen the uh, pillars of world class manufacturing, aspect of world class manufacturing. Now we will see the what is the operational excellence. The operational excellence is the executions of business strategies more consistently and reliable than the competitions with lower operational risk, lower operating cost, and increased revenue relative to its competitors. So, operational excellency it means that we have to compare with our competitors so consistently and reliable than the competitions. That kind of strategy we have to make while we converting our business in a world class. At that time, we have to take a lower operational risk, lower operating cost, and increase the revenue relative to its competitor. So हमें competitor के comparison में हमारा business भी बढ़ाना है और जो लोअर कॉस्ट भी हमें मेंटेन रखना है दैट द थिंग वी हैव टू मेंटेन इन अ ऑपरेशनल एक्सलेंस. It is needed more than ever in today's technology driven rapidly change in business models which require organizations to undergo end to end business transformations that is called operational excellence. The one another definitions of operational excellence, the operational excellence manifests itself through integrated performance across revenue, cost, and risk. Operational excellence itself manifestations about the uh, performance of revenue, cost, and risk. It focus on meeting customer expectations through the continuous improvement of the operational process and the culture of organizations. So it also operational excellence is also focused on a what is the actual customer wants. It also focus on that, and in that phase he also improvement his process flow as well as how the product will be meet at a customer at his within time with the superior quality and at our a minimum cost that the things will be discussed in a operational excellence that it is called as a operational excellence. Operational excellence, the path of operational excellence involves dedications, patience, and most of all understanding of continuous improvement. If we have to improve our process flow or operating excellence, so we have to take a dedications about the work, we have to take we have to keep the patience, and most of all we have to understand if we do a improvement in our process, our operational your operations or our product will get to the customer with a superior quality as per standard what customers want. So at that time if you implement the respective strategies and approaches efficiently, if we implement the respective strategy whatever we strategies made for the productions, so that the strategy we implement efficiently, the effective business and process improvement can support your organizations. Due to that, our effective business and process improvement can also support our organizations to grow up. Some following keys are there. So, alignment of your strategy and cultures. We have to align our strategies as per our locations, human tendencies, production cost, customer demands, customer satisfactions, and that the situations we have to balance or we have to alignment our strategies and cultures. Third one is the second one is harmonizations of work and your objectives. We have to clear about our objectives, enhancement of our performance of decision making. Fourth one is recognitions of the difference in the value of your customers compositions. We have to analysis also the recognitions of the difference in a value of your customer compositions. The some methodology of operational excellence in that the lean manufacturing, Six Sigma and Kaizens. So first one is lean manufacturing. So first, what is the lean manufacturing? The lean manufacturing is about eliminating the wastage from our manufacturing process without disturbing our process or without negatively impacting on our productivity. So lean manufacturing, whenever we use in a productions, at that time we have to keep in mind we the production process flow did not be disturbed or do not be disturbed, as well as the quality also should be maintained. In other words, it aims to implement the business process to achieve the high quality, safety and workers moral and reducing the cost, as well as shortening lead time at the same time. The lean manufacturing, whenever certain machines needs a complete for the operations 10 to 15 minutes, so by using this technique the time the time of these operations will be reduced or not. We have to analyze this, and if the certain wastages happen on that the machines, so how to reduce by using this technique this wastage. So we have to analyze this thing. The lean manufacturing will be implemented on that. The furthermore, waste is an activity or expenditure of resources that does not add the value from the customer point of view. Second one is the lean manufacturing. There are the 7 type of wastage waste identified. तो उसके in manufacturing process where wastages happen in a process flow. So first one is overproduction against the plan. जैसे कि हम कोई प्लान बनाते हैं और उसके अलावा हम ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन निकालते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड आल्सो वेस्टेज वेन एवर इट विल बी नीडेड, बट एट द टाइम ऑफ inventory or at the time of present situation it is the wastage for us. Second one is waiting time for operator and machines. It is also a wastage. It is a wastage of time. Third one is unnecessary transportations. Unnecessary transportation. It is also part of lean manufacturing. By using the lean manufacturing, we can reduce it. The waste in the process itself. Excess stock of material and the component. It is also it can be also reduced by using the lean manufacturing. Non-value adding motions. Sometimes that the things happen in industries, so we have to reduce non-value adding motions. And defect in qualities. Defect in quality is also called as the most effective wastage from the industries. So lean manufacturing technique, by using this lean manufacturing technique, defective items will be removed, or how we overcome this defective pieces. So that the thing keep in mind, we have to implement the lean manufacturing system. Second one is Six Sigma. The Six Sigma is a set of tools and techniques for improvement of business process. The goal is to create the customer experience improvement by means of variations, identifications and eliminations. By using the Six Sigmas, by using this technique we have to variations of the product, identify and eliminate the defective product. This can be accomplished by the implementing DMAIC, a Six Sigma sub methodology. DMAIC is a abbreviation for define, measure, analysis, improvement, and control. First of all, first define the problems in order to solve it. We have to define our problem in order to solve it. Measure all your available data, as well as take a more details look into your processes. Analysis: perform analysis of your findings and figures out of the root causes, the problem's root. Improvement: once you analyze your data, find a possible solution and implementing on that or on them. If once you find the problems, so implementing your data whatever you have. Then fourth one is control: ensure to maintain your new implemented process. Third one is kaizen is a Japanese technique, and it's also Japanese word. The kaizen, it means standards for continuous improvement. It is referred to activity aiming for the implementations of positive ongoing change at the workstation. In other words, it is a strategy that involves all employees from every company level of work together and proactively with the goal of achieving a regularly incremental improvement to the manufacturing process. The kaizen, it means it's a Japanese words in the continuous improvement in the process. If a certain operations has a 5 to 10 minutes for completions, so how we implement their kaizens, so that the things we have to keep in mind while we have to operational excellence method to implement there. The last one is world class manufacturing process. In that, the world class manufacturing process ERP module is there. In that, the by using this world class manufacturing, we have to implementations of customer satisfactions, and we have to make our industry as a world class product. Now here the we completed the introductions of world class manufacturing and operational excellence. Thank you.